Hi, if you're a DJ, then you know that a great set of speakers is essential to deliver high-quality sound and keep your crowd dancing all night long. But with so many options out there, it can be tough to know which speakers are the best fit for your needs. In this video, I'm going to break down the top speakers for DJing and share my personal favorites that will make your music sound amazing. So let's get started. Number 5. Pioneer DJ DM50D. If you're looking for a powerful, versatile speaker that can handle all your DJing needs, the Pioneer DJ DM50D woofer is definitely worth considering. One of the standout features of this speaker is its impressive sound quality. With a built-in Class D amplifier, it delivers clear, punchy sound with minimal distortion, even at high volumes. Plus, the DM50D is compact and portable, making it easy to take with you. Another great thing about the DM50D is its flexibility. It can be used in a variety of settings from small bars to larger venues, and it can even be mounted on a tripod for added convenience. And if you need to tweak the sound to fit your specific needs, the DM50D has a range of EQ settings that allow different adjustments. Of course, no speaker is perfect, and the DM50D is that it's not battery powered, which means you'll need access to an electrical outlet to use it. Number 4. Yamaha HS5. Now, if you're a DJ who wants to ensure that your music sounds as good as possible, you need a high-quality set of speakers that can deliver accurate, clear sound. The Yamaha HS5 studio monitor is an excellent choice for this purpose, thanks to its flat frequency response and precise audio reproduction. One of the key benefits of the HS5 is that it's designed to provide a neutral, uncolored sound that accurately reflects your music. This means that you'll be able to hear every detail of your tracks and make adjustments as needed to achieve the perfect mix. Another advantage of the HS5 is its durable construction. It's built to withstand the rigors of studio use, which means it should hold up well even with frequent use. However, one potential downside is that the HS5 is a bit pricey compared to some other DJ speaker on the market. Number 3. KRK RP5 Rocket 5 G4. The KRK RP5 Rocket 5 G4 studio monitors are a fantastic choice for DJs who want to ensure that they're hearing their music with its utmost clarity and accuracy. One of the standout features of this speaker is their impressive frequency response. They're designed to deliver a well-balanced sound across the entire frequency spectrum, which means you'll be able to hear every detail of your music. The speakers also feature a built-in DSP, which is a digital signal processor that allows you to fine-tune the sound to your liking. Another advantage of the RP5 Rocket 5 G4 is its sleek, modern design. They'll look great in any DJ setup. They're also built to last, with high-quality materials and construction that can withstand frequent use. However, one potential downside to consider is that the RP5 speakers can be a bit bass-heavy, which may not be ideal for all genres of music. Number 2. JBL Professional 306P MK2. Next up, the JBL Professional 306P MK2, which is an excellent choice for DJs looking for high-quality sound in their studio or live performances. It delivers a precise and balanced sound that is perfect for mixing and mastering. The high-frequency and low-frequency drivers are designed to work together seamlessly, resulting in a well-defined stereo image and a tight, punchy bass response. One of the best things about this studio monitor is its affordability. Despite its impressive features, the JBL Professional 306P MK2 is a relatively inexpensive, making it an attractive option for DJs who are just starting out. However, one disadvantage of the JBL Professional 306P MK2 is its size. It is a relatively small monitor, which means that it may not be suitable for larger venues or outdoor events. If you are a DJ who frequently performs at larger venues, you may need to invest in a larger set of speakers or two of them. Number 1. PreSonus Iris E35 3.5 inch. And now, last but not least, let me tell you about the PreSonus Iris E3.5 to 3.5 inches speaker, which is a great game changer for DJs out there. These babies pack a punch and deliver exceptional sound quality that will elevate your DJing experience to a whole new level. One of the best things about these speakers is their compact size. They're perfect for small spaces, like a home studio or a DJ booth. And don't let their size fool you. They produce a surprisingly robust sound that will blow your mind. Plus, they come with adjustable controls for tuning the sound to your preference. But of course, nothing is perfect, and the PreSonus speaker does have one disadvantage. While they produce a well-balanced sound overall, the low-end frequencies might not be as pronounced as you'd like. If you're a bass-heavy DJ, you might want to consider adding a subwoofer to your setup to compensate for this. And thanks for tuning in and learning about the best speakers for DJing. I hope this video has helped you in your search for the perfect set of speakers. Remember to choose a high-quality pair that matches your specific needs and keep on making great music. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.